Kyle Colbert here, and I'm here with my dad, Dr. Don Colbert, and we are excited to help you prepare for the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge.
Absolutely right, Kyle. Preparation is absolutely essential for success. And before you start this challenge, it's very important to get your kitchen, your mindset, and your body ready for this incredible journey.
Dad, why is it so important to prepare for the Keto Zone Challenge before jumping in?
Great question, Kyle. The keto zone is a big shift for most people, especially if you've been eating a lot of carbohydrates and sugar. And preparation will help minimize the keto flu. It'll help keep you motivated, and it'll set you up for long-term success. And also by planning ahead, you'll be ready to dive in without feeling overwhelmed.
All right, let's start with the first step. What's the number one thing people should do to prepare?
Step one is to clean out your kitchen. Go through your pantry, fridge, freezer, remove foods that don't align with the Keto Zone diet. This includes sugary snacks and drinks, high-carb foods like bread and pasta and cereals and rice and processed foods and junk foods and snack foods and chips and all those good-tasting foods that our body loves to eat late at night. And replace them with Keto Zone healthy staples like healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, low-carb veggies like spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, proteins, organic chicken, turkey, wild-caught salmon, and then Keto Zone products like instant ketones and MCT oil powder.
Okay, so now that the kitchen is clean, what should people stock up on?
Well, here's what you'll need to have on hand. Healthy fats, lots of nuts. Avocados are great. Celery and cucumber sliced, as well as seeds, olive oil, a little coconut oil is good, as well as low-carb veggies like we talked about, kale and spinach, arugula, cruciferous veggies like broccoli and cauliflower. Proteins include organic grass-fed or wild-caught options like chicken, turkey, salmon, and eggs. Don't forget your Keto Zone product, MCT oil powder, Fiber Zone, instant ketones. Add these to your pantry to help you stay on track and reach ketosis faster, as well as don't forget electrolytes. Stock up on mineral-rich salts like Himalayan pink salt. Consider an electrolyte supplement in order to stay hydrated.
Meal planning is huge for staying on track, right?
Exactly, Kyle. Take some time to plan out your meals for the week. This way, you're not scrambling to figure out what to eat. Here's how to do it. Choose some simple keto-friendly recipes. Start with easy meals like scrambled eggs with spinach or grilled chicken with broccoli. Prep your ingredients ahead of time. Chop your veggies, portion out snacks, cook proteins in bulk to save time. Keep a list of go-to meals so you're never stuck without options.
Dad, the mental side of the challenge is just as important as the physical. Dad, how can we prepare our mindset?
Great point, Kyle. Here are a few key tips. First, set clear goals. Write down what you want to achieve during the challenge, whether it's weight loss, more energy, or improved focus. Visualize your success. Picture yourself feeling healthier, losing weight, and feeling more vibrant, and it'll keep you motivated. But anticipate challenges. Know that the first few days might be tough, but remind yourself that it gets easier as your body adjusts.
One of the best parts of this challenge is the community. How can people stay connected?
Well, join the Keto Zone Facebook group in order to connect with others on the same journey. Share your progress, ask questions, and support one another. You're not doing this alone. We're all in this together.
All right, you've got this. Preparing for the Keto Zone Challenge is the first step to transforming your health.
Now take these next few days to get your kitchen and your mindset ready. Remember, preparation is the foundation of success.
We can't wait to see you on day one of the Keto Zone Challenge. Stay focused, stay excited, and remember, there's no zone like the Keto Zone.
God bless you, and we'll see you in the Keto Zone Challenge.